Evil people, evil people, evil.
Easy no easy.
People I pray them. People me I pray them, but my people me don't want to see them. They want release all of my demons, dog. People me I pray them, but mine me don't want to see them. They want me release my demons, and a long time me I pray them, dog. People no real and a genuine. Them give poison feed medicine, and you better know them not gonna treat you the best. Them rather treat you like a pest, make your head full up of blood clot stress. And you better know them not gonna look out for you, no matter what you do for them. And you can see it cause it evident, dog. People them bad man, they unkind, deceitful and evil. Don't trust in people that are dog shit. And you better know, so me trust myself more than anybody. Yeah, trust myself, which is right. Explode like dynamite, make the place get bright. Tell them me don't give a fuck people what bad man need to get out of my face, out of my place. Then if you go out of space real quick, I me rise up the dirty gun, the magic stick, and me wave. Bad mind people me grave them, because them a heathen. A long time me a pray them, they want me release all of my demons, dog. Bad mind me a pray them, a long time me see them. They want drain me energy, them a penny me. Them my enemy, and they want to see me in the cemetery, but that not gonna happen. Cause man stand firm, not gonna wiggle like me, I know damn worm. And I know them a germ, so me travel with my Lysol. That's all me need for the gym. Shrooms them, tell them me outside. I'm a pretty bad man long time. They can't stop me like a stop sign. I better know me blow up and then I step on my dog, that's a fucking landmine. Me chop them line just to get my thing about them people. They dog them too bad mind. Pa me, them no want light to shine. They want see me go under. Them a talk about time me a squander. But me outside a smoke and I wonder. True them even know step on the money me a panda. Yeah, oh if make it, oh if get it. From me nobody cannot take it. Now you better know my life, me off you fucking set it, dog. Bad man, I see them from long time. Me, I pray them. Them evil people and very deceitful. You can't trust them. Now no time if you could cuss them. Rather rise up my gun, shot in their face, have some bust them.